Hi everybody, it's James again. I'm talking about cars while the train rolls by through the neighborhood of Hammond. So I just told you that the secret is out, that we've got a gasoline-powered car in the family, and what are we going to do about that? I think a lot of people are in this position where you've got an older car that's still running fine, but gosh, don't you kind of want a new car? Wouldn't it be nice to just, have that new car smell? I've never bought a new car, and it's really tempting, because when you're talking about someone who's already kind of adopted, we have an electric car already, our 2015 Leaf. And every day we come home and we go, we need to charge up the car. So we just open this and plug our house into it. And because we wired the garage pretty well, because we were thinking about this ahead of time, we have a 50 amp breaker in there, and it charges up pretty fast, certainly overnight. So that's really, forgive me, I'm covering up my license plate with a pride flag. So that works really well for us. We're kind of adopted. We're kind of into the electric vehicle thing. So the thing that we kind of like next is a car that can go a little bit farther. This 2015 Leaf has I think a 24 kilowatt hour battery, and it gets us about 100, gets us into Vancouver from Maple Ridge, gets us back, and then we start getting a little worried about, we better charge pretty soon. So if we want to go to Seattle, we're gonna have to charge on the way, and I don't know where to charge. You can find places to charge, but I'd like to be able to drive to Seattle on one charge and then charge there and then come back. That would be nice. So what if we bought a longer range car? Like a really big battery, one that can go 500 kilometers. And these are the ones that are just coming out, There's Teslas up here. We could get a Model Y, very popular. That would be cool. We can go camping in it. Lots of kind of like, I want to get a new car feelings. The EV6, which is what, Kia or Hyundai? I don't know. That one goes 500 kilometers. There's the VW Buzz coming out. Oh, that's exciting. But meanwhile, this car is still limping along, and buying a brand new car is really one of the worst things you can do for the environment. So I've been thinking, can I live with one car? Can we, as a family of 4 in Maple Ridge, just keep the Leaf going? Leanne drives the kids and goes to work. The big problem has been getting the kids home from school from the other side of Maple Ridge. There's been lots of challenges about busing. It takes like an hour to bus. It's really, it's been hard, and we've really been wrestling with this. It's a definite failing in our infrastructure, in local transit. Cycling is scary in Maple Ridge. I used to cycle all over the place when I was growing up in Vancouver. I used to take the bus everywhere. It's just more difficult here. So what do we do? I checked the place that we got our 2015 Leaf, which is Westwood Honda in Port Moody, and they didn't have any. So I was like, I guess we're stuck with a new car, darn it. Okay, I think maybe I better stop the video there, because I'm running out of brain juice. Okay, I'll see you next time. Hang on, and I'll give you the stunning conclusion.